Hi, Micky Dolenz here. You're watching LifeMinute TV. I have a book coming out called I'm Told I Had a Good Time. It's a book of my archives, my pictures, film, and stuff from that era. And it's quite interesting. A lot of stuff of Jimi Hendrix, who was our opening act. Chuck Berry. In fact, Johnny Be Good was my audition piece for the Monkees. Little Richard, Fats Domino, Johnny Mathis. I don't listen to music. I listen to classical, mostly classical. If you're going to get in the music business, get a good lawyer.